How did they build the ISS, the International Space Station? Let's explore the fascinating process. The ISS is a marvel of modern engineering, a collaborative effort involving multiple countries and space agencies. Over the course of several years, modules were launched and assembled in orbit piece by piece. This floating laboratory serves as a hub for scientific research and international cooperation. Join us as we delve into the incredible journey of building the International Space Station. Number 1. International collaboration. The ISS is a result of collaboration between NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA. This unprecedented partnership brought together the expertise and resources of 5 major space agencies. Each agency contributed unique modules and technology, making the ISS a symbol of international unity and scientific progress. Astronauts from around the world live and work together on the ISS, conducting experiments that benefit all of humanity. Number 2. Modular construction. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a marvel of modern engineering and international collaboration. It wasn't launched as a single entity but was built piece by piece. Each module, designed for specific functions like research or living quarters, was assembled in orbit by astronauts. This modular approach allowed the ISS to evolve and expand over time. The precision and coordination required in microgravity showcase the incredible skills of astronauts and ground control teams. Modular construction has revolutionized space structures. Number 3. Key modules. The International Space Station is composed of several key modules. The first module, Zarya, launched in 1998, provided initial propulsion and power. Unity, added later, serves as a connecting node. Zvezda, launched in 2000, is the main living quarters with life support systems. The Destiny Laboratory, launched in 2001, is the primary research facility. Each module has contributed to the ISS's success, making it a hub of international collaboration and scientific discovery. Number 4. Space Shuttle missions. The Space Shuttle played a crucial role in transporting and assembling modules. Over the course of 13 years, from 1998 to 2011, the Space Shuttle fleet completed 37 missions dedicated to the ISS. These missions were essential for delivering key components, including the Unity module, the Destiny Laboratory, and the truss segments. Astronauts conducted numerous spacewalks to install and maintain these modules, ensuring the ISS could function as a fully operational space station. The Space Shuttle's unique ability to carry large payloads and return to Earth made it indispensable for the ISS construction. Number 5. Robotics. The Canadarm2 and Dexter robot played crucial roles in the construction and maintenance of the ISS. These robotic arms were essential for moving large components and performing delicate tasks that would be difficult for astronauts. Dexter, often referred to as the Canada Hand, is a sophisticated robot capable of handling intricate repairs and maintenance. Together, these robotic systems have significantly enhanced the efficiency and safety of operations on the ISS, allowing astronauts to focus on more complex scientific experiments and missions. Number 6. Spacewalks. Astronauts performed numerous spacewalks to assemble and maintain the ISS. These spacewalks, also known as extravehicular activities, EVAs, were crucial for installing new modules, repairing equipment, and conducting scientific experiments. Each spacewalk required meticulous planning and training, ensuring the safety and success of the mission. Over the years, these EVAs have contributed significantly to the ISS's functionality and longevity, showcasing human ingenuity and perseverance in space exploration. Number 7. Ongoing maintenance. The ISS requires continuous maintenance and upgrades to support scientific research and daily operations. This involves regular checks and repairs of its systems, replacing worn-out parts, and installing new technology. Both astronauts on the station and engineers on Earth work together to ensure everything runs smoothly. This collaborative effort is crucial for the safety and success of the missions aboard the ISS. In conclusion, the International Space Station, ISS, is a monumental achievement of international cooperation, advanced engineering, and human ingenuity. Built by NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and CSA, it orbits Earth at around 400 kilometers. Construction began in 1998, involving over 30 missions to assemble its modules. With a mass of over 420,000 kilograms, it houses state-of-the-art labs for experiments in microgravity. The ISS is a hub for scientific research, aiding our understanding of long-term space travel and preparing us for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. The International Space Station is a marvel of human engineering and cooperation. We hope you enjoyed learning about its construction and the incredible teamwork involved. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into space exploration and technology. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.